Brains for sale, take two.
Brains for sale, brains for sale. You want a brain, missus? Miss?
I need one, so how much is that one?
Oh, that's just a brain. It's been used a lot, so about $20.
Nah, how about that one?
That's Nicole's brain. $30. That's Nicole. I can't read.
That's Nicole's brain.
Oh, that's Nicole's brain. It's been used a little bit, so that's a good buy.
Do you have any others?
Aha! There's one of there. It's very special. It's $50,000.